Hello mga pangga, welcome to Kantayo Beach page. So I will show you first time eating this crawfish. So crawfish, is that it? Yeah. So kaning anlilitik man siguro ni sa ato si John Paul told me to try this. So kay dili man tag kumakaon ani, so ingon siya no ma'am ka-try it. I-try na ko. So anlilitik sa ato ambot lang sa akong kani pagkuan ron pag subagay ani ron. So this one it's called Dungeness crab legs. So dako kayo ni it says Dungeness crab legs. That's what we're ordering.
Dungeness, man.
Dungeness, dungeon, like you know, dragon, the dungeon. So dako kay ni siya niya.
Remember Austin Powers?
So kani sa umani pagkuan pagkaon so dako niyang so tangtangon ni anaon ni siya birakon matingay ni siya kana nya di lang kung kaon anak kay murag daghan makuan nya dayon birakon tingay ni siya unsa ba kami. Yes, kani siya.
Thank you. Oh, sorry.
Kani naon. So, nya mauna na siya. Mauna ni siya meat, dere. Nya here. I guess boko ni siya din isto nga. Dini. Anak. Honey, stop. If you don't behave, I'm gonna face this camera towards you. Oh, dara. Oh. So, muna siyang unod. Esa ako sa ning birahon. Stop it! Behave yourself!
Oh, it's easy to get her going, isn't it?
Oh, here.
So easy to get Betchai started.
Behave yourself. Can I have some of your French fries, son?
Yeah,
I don't
take
think
as
I have.
many as you want,
No,
because
I ordered my French fries, and it doesn't seem like I'm getting my
well,
French
then
fries.
good. You don't have to pay for them because there's too much food anyway.
Yeah, that's good. I don't know if you write it down that I ordered French fries. Yeah.
What is that? The prom?
Yeah, it's prom time.
Yeah.
So Mama's also enjoying her food there. Kasama ka na. Oh. Dara. Wave, dayon.
Hello, mga pangga.
Oh, see? She's enjoying.
Hello, mga panga.
Here. Kaniko is eating different food. Fish also. What did you order, hon?
Poor boy.
Poor boy. That is made sandwich. Yeah, fish sandwich, right?
Right there.
Stop that! Oh my God! See, be careful with your head. You're gonna get hit in that corner there. Oh, there's my French fries. Thank
We
you.
really didn't need them
Say-
at this point.
Say hi to to my friends. Thank you. Don't stop. You have to stop. I can't. Stop it. Stop. Stop. Put that down. Stop it.
Oh, I'm so good.
The crawfish is here we go. That's the crawfish. Oh, this one is easy. Look, I just pulled them out and it comes off. Look, see? Yay! This is an easy one. Good job.
Almost cooked.
All right, mga pangga. See you later. Bye.
No,
Thank
no,
you for
no, no.
watching.
She's not done because I'm not done opening.
You're not done what? Look at all the prom kids. The prom kids were here.
Oh, there's a whole bunch over there.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch. They were eating here. That's good.
They weren't eating here. That bus wasn't here.
Yeah.
Oh, God, Mom, but sure.
Alright, mga pangga. See you later. Love, love, love. Oh, they're just using the bathroom.
Yeah.
Will you stop? Come on, Anlilitik, right? Can you stop?
See, it gets her going. She gets all wound up when I do that, and that's why I do it. If I didn't get a response out of her, it wouldn't be fun.
Okay, Manga Panga?
Unsa? Okay, mga pangga.
Yeah.
Pangga.
Pangga.
Correct. Say bye. Love, love,
Say
love.
bye. Love,
Here,
love,
no,
love.
get in your face here. Bye, bye, bye.
There.
All right.
Bye-bye.